Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Well, today is another quick and easy meals. So today I'm going to be making baked chicken. So these are the ingredients or seasonings that I have included in preparing my baked chicken. So let's just move on over. As you can see, I've cleaned my chicken and I have seasoned it up. I started off with poking some holes in it, putting on my Worcestershire sauce and then my seasonings. Topped it off with some onion pieces and some butter. And so now I'm going to put this in the oven on 350 degrees. And this should probably take about an hour and a half. While I'm doing that, I'm going to be making some green beans and potatoes. And so here are my green beans. You can see we have 2 packs here. I would say that green beans are my absolute favorite vegetable. And so what I'm going to do it old school. I'm going to when I prepare my green beans, I'm going to peel and cut up these potatoes, and I'm going to put them on top, all in the same pan, just old school, all in the same pot, I should say. Old school, just like our parents used to do, okay? So keep watching. So now I'm just going to pop this chicken in the oven. All right, guys, I've cleaned my green beans and cut them up. I've cut up some potato. And so here are the seasonings and the ingredients that I am going to be using to prepare my green beans and potatoes. Now, one thing I just want to mention, I'm not going to use water. I'm going to use chicken broth, okay, to prepare my green beans and potatoes. And if you guys haven't tried this, oh my goodness, you sleeping on this, you don't know what you're missing. This is really, really good. It gives your veggies that wow factor, okay? So I'm going to add these in, and then I'm going to start cooking my green beans and potatoes. So keep watching for the reveal, and thank you guys for hanging in there with me to this point. Keep watching. Okay guys, so just to kind of show you, I used about a small tablespoon of the Better Than bouillon, and then I used my chicken broth. I didn't cover the green beans because I like want to keep some of the vitamins in, because when you boil veggies, you don't want to boil all the nutrients out. So that's what we have. So I added a little paprika on top, and so I am going to begin fixing these, okay? Keep watching. All right, everyone, so here's my baked chicken. It's all done, and my green beans and potatoes. So let me put this on a plate and serve it up. Keep watching. All right, guys, here we are. Bon appetit. Until the next one, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.